Big progress is happening right now at Camp Nou. New structures are going up, key sections are moving forward, and the stadium is starting to look completely different. In today's update, we'll cover all the latest changes you need to see. The Tribuna area continues to show steady progress, with workers installing vertical support connections for the lamella system and securing them with heavy bolts. Cranes and elevated platforms are actively assisting in positioning structural beams, especially around the future elevator zones. At the same time, prefabricated seating sections are being installed nearby, while surface treatment work on beams is also ongoing, making this area consistently active across both structural and finishing stages. Work continues actively in the South Goal area, where crews are operating elevated platforms around the newly installed outer structure. Workers are focusing on railing installations and carefully inspecting the connections between structural beams and the surrounding framework. These checks are crucial as this outer ring will play a key role in supporting the future roof structure and upper elements of the stadium. On the left side, progress remains limited. The lamella supports are already installed, but the anchoring systems are still missing. The piston structure is visible. However, no additional components have been added in this section yet, indicating this area is temporarily paused. In the lateral area, a new structural segment has been successfully installed and connected to a radial beam. This significantly strengthens the outer framework and shows clear expansion of the stadium's skeleton. Workers on elevated platforms are actively securing connections and finalizing the integration of these heavy components. Teams are working on drainage elements that will control rainwater flow across the structure. At the same time, protective safety nets are being installed along the scaffolding, ensuring safer working conditions as construction continues at height. Major progress is visible in the installation of black façade panels around the VIP zones. What was previously limited to one section has now expanded across multiple areas. Installation is moving quickly, and a new sector has already begun receiving panels, indicating rapid coverage of this part of the stadium exterior. The compression ring area is structurally prepared, with radial beams and vertical supports already in position. Although no major lifting was observed at this moment, everything is set up for upcoming installations, which are expected to begin soon. At the north goal corner, several massive structural components are staged and ready. These large pieces highlight the scale of the project. While no immediate installation was observed, the area is clearly prepared for upcoming structural assembly. Heavy machinery is actively working in this corner, where soil is being delivered and redistributed. This process likely relates to ground preparation or leveling for future structural or foundational work. Lamella installation has officially started in the north goal section. Multiple panels have already been installed, extending close to the main structural pillars. Some gaps remain intentionally for alignment, but overall, this marks a key step toward enclosing the stadium. Workers are applying a white protective coating to structural beams. The process involves cleaning the surface first, then applying the material evenly. This is likely preparation for final finishing or painting, and it is being carried out across multiple zones simultaneously. The elevator support structures are progressing rapidly. Multiple beams have been installed recently, and cranes along with elevated platforms are actively assisting in positioning and securing new structural elements. This area has seen noticeable advancement in a short period. Large vertical connection elements for lamella supports are now being installed. These tall structures will hold the outer façade system in place. Their size and spacing vary depending on the section, with some areas showing significantly larger gaps than others. Overall construction remains steady across all areas of the stadium. While weekend activity is slightly lower compared to weekdays, progress continues in key zones including structural assembly, façade installation, and finishing work. The project is clearly advancing on multiple fronts simultaneously. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.